Welcome to Engineering the Career Pivot, a video focusing on navigating the UK's industrial disruption through a first principles approach. This is powered by the Career OS methodology. We are currently experiencing a great disconnect. Over 45% of UK auto companies report crippling skills shortages in key engineering areas. Simultaneously, 66% of highly capable legacy engineers face automatic algorithmic rejection before a human sees their CV. The hiring infrastructure is fundamentally broken. The UK's modern industrial strategy is a £250 billion pivot, hyper-focused on 8 growth-driving sectors. This strategy is projected to add £152 billion to the annual gross value by 2035, generating 1.1 million new technical and operational roles, fueled by concentrated investment. The pivot should not be miscalculated. The error is attempting to learn coding from scratch. The strategy is secondary support arbitrage, leveraging established commercial, operational, and automotive acumen to manage frontier technologies. Target roles include Clean Energy Bid Manager and AI Supply Chain Manager. The Freeport strategy creates regional magnets. £6.4 billion in private capital has flowed into tax-incentivized regional hubs like Teesside and Inverness. The mandate is clear. These engineering clusters need an army of non-technical professionals for complex logistics, compliance, and bid management. The Career OS system rejects passive job searching. It is an empirical, systems engineering methodology covering 4 phases: deep internal auditing, asset deconstruction, grid search and experimentation, and value maximization. Pixel theory focuses on auditing the self. You live in the daily pixels, not the grand career picture. This involves using the Joy Journal for data collection, dismantling the professional shell, and performing a calendar audit to eliminate tasks that cause burnout. A career jump must pass the viability filter, intersecting at 4 precise nodes: internal drive, market demand, economic viability, and transferable competency. A viable pivot exists only at the center of these 4 elements. To survive the 6-second scan, you must understand the ATS reality. It is a filing cabinet, not a gatekeeper. The true bottleneck is the human recruiter, who evaluates your CV in 6 seconds based on cognitive load. Mismatched jargon is friction that leads to instant rejection. The translation protocol emphasizes re-engineering your application architecture, not reinventing your past. Translate legacy jargon into universal business value and target nomenclature. For example, troubleshot complex drivetrains becomes optimized mechanical systems to reduce downtime by 14%. The engineered CV architecture must be optimized. The top third must instantly confirm professional identity using a present-past-future framework. The format should disrupt ocular tracking and ATS parsers. The body must frame each role with quantified bullet points and specific context. Use the empirical proof formula: action plus metric equals outcome. Stop detailing generic responsibilities and start quantifying your impact. This provides mathematical proof of your competence to the recruiter. Employ a high-depth, low-volume approach. Spamming 100 roles with a generic document guarantees failure. The tactic is to target exactly 10 highly researched roles. Integrate your cover letter by mapping one specific past achievement to a future problem of the target company. Understand the 80/20ths reality of recruitment. The traditional method through public job boards has only a 1% success rate. The hidden market represents 80% of roles, high-value positions filled through closed network clusters to avoid operational risk and high search costs. Maximize digital visibility through LinkedIn SEO. Use a professional headshot for a strong visual handshake. Implement keyword discovery by embedding top keywords from target job descriptions. Finally, activate the broadcast by populating the featured section with project PDFs and data models. Networking is farming, not hunting. Breakthroughs come from weak ties, acquaintances that bridge isolated company clusters. Use the direct outreach protocol, identify decision makers, send concise, speculative messages, and arrive as a bespoke, peer-level solution. De-risking the pivot is crucial. Invest 13 minutes daily in targeted AI literacy or ESG compliance. This is micro-compounding your career capital. The UK subsidy underwrites this transition via the Growth and Skills Levy, bypassing the need for university degrees. The engineered architecture synthesizes 4 elements: macro alignment, career OS for self-auditing, asset translation for CV rebuilding, and network leverage to tap the hidden market. Luck is mathematically incompatible with a senior career transition. Cease being the risky outsider. Your legacy expertise is the necessary foundation in this permanently digital era. Implement the Career OS system today. Audit your pixels, translate your assets, and engineer your precise transition into the UK's next industrial era.